Hello, all you creative beings and all the others also. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Have you ever heard that if you do that, then you cannot be in a bad mood? You cannot be depressed? It's great, huh? So I wanted to tell you that in fact of I haven't told you before. Are you sometimes not relaxed when you are painting? Are you sometimes think, oh my god, this is not my cup of tea? I'm in a creative crisis. Nothing good is coming out of me. Do you think sometimes everybody can paint better than you? When you are in workshops or seminars, are you getting stressed because you see what are the other painting and what I am painting? Dear friend, this kind of thoughts are very natural because our mind is related to our physical body, and the identification with our physical body is every time like that it wants us to be small, that it wants us to have no self-confidence, that we are not developing our natural spirituality. And let me tell you, this kind of thoughts, you can get rid of it. How you can get rid of it? Connect yourself with your creative being. Your creative being is that part of you that has existed in the past, is existing now, and will exist in the future. It is everlasting. And it is that part that is happy every time because of no reason. There are here some little meditations that I do from time to time here on this channel, and try to hold out for it. And these little meditations will lead you to this creative being. It is already inside of you. I wish you all a very wonderful and great day.